Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send bulk emails in Copper CRM. All right, so first up, let's go ahead and tweak some settings. Okay, go to the top left, click on your profile, then click on email settings. And here, make sure that under email preference, you have send reply from Copper selected. Okay, or if you want, you can go ahead and choose email links, open in Gmail or some other option. But for this example, we're going to be using Copper CRM for sending bulk emails. So go ahead and select this option. Okay, once that's done, no need to click on a save button. Okay, so what we'll do is just go ahead over to people or companies. Okay, so people right here, you can go ahead and filter this out. Okay, filter and go ahead and add in your filter. For example, contact types right here, maybe you wanted to send a bulk email for all of your potential customers. You can go ahead and select this option. Okay, if not, I'm just going to go ahead and untick it, just for you to be able to see that they will be sending a bulk email. Now in here, just click on this tick box, okay, to select all. If you don't want to include someone, you can just go ahead and tick on the checkbox besides the name, okay, just like that. Now, once that's done, as you can see here at the top, we have the email option. Just click on it. Now we have the Gmail enforced sending limit right here. Just click on, got it. Okay, as you might have noticed, we only have one in here, but don't worry, you actually have multiple. Okay, just click on this arrow. Okay, if you want to add in some more, you can click on a plus sign and add in some emails. Okay, now going back in here, we have the subject. If you want to, you can go ahead and use any fields or merge fields right here. Okay, if not, maybe I'm just going to go ahead and type in promotion message. If you have email templates, you can go ahead and click on templates right here. Let's say I have created the personalized email. Okay, and by the way, if you don't know how to create a personalized email, you can go ahead and check a video on our channel titled How to Create an Email Template in Copper CRM. Okay, so once you're happy with your email, by the way, you can go ahead and add in some attachments, links. Okay, make it bold, italicized, underlined. If you're happy with your email, you can now go ahead and click on send for emails. Okay, and once that's done, you should be good to go. As you can see here, I just received an email for my secondary account in here. There you go. This is the message. Hi, okay, I'm Ryan. I'd like to inform you that we have a promotion in this business. Don't miss this out. Okay, yours truly, my company. And there you have it. That is how you send bulk emails in Copper CRM. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.